Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys. Today we're taking an even deeper look at Cozila Calendar in 2025, exploring every nook and cranny of this powerful scheduling tool. We'll cover advanced workflows, performance benchmarks, integrations you might not know about, developer features, real-world use cases, and tips from power users. By the end, you'll know if Cozila is the right calendar for your life or team. Let's get started. Number 1. Under the hood performance and reliability. Speed and responsiveness. Cozila's engineers rewrote the core rendering engine in 2024, and in 2025, it's paying off. Even with hundreds of events loaded, scrolling through month view remains sub 100 milliseconds. On low-end Android devices, Cozila still feels snappy, an impressive feat compared to many competitors. Offline mode and data sync. Cozila's offline mode isn't just reading cached data. You can create, edit, or delete events offline and watch them sync automatically once you're back online. Conflicts are resolved via a simple choose which change to keep pop-up. Uptime and reliability. Their status page shows a consistent 99.99% uptime, with scheduled maintenance windows communicated 2 weeks in advance. Real users report almost zero downtime, making Cozila a dependable tool for mission-critical scheduling. Number 2. Advanced integrations and extensions, Chrome and Edge browser extension. Cozila's Calendar Picker extension lets you schedule any date time on any website. Seen a webinar sign-up? Click the Cozila icon beside the date field, and it auto-creates an event with link and page title. The extension also recognizes Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet links to autofill meeting URLs. Zapier and Integromat automations. Beyond built-in CRM sync, Cozila integrates with Zapier and Integromat. You can automatically turn new form submissions into calendar events, send Slack reminders when a calendar event starts, or update Airtable records based on calendar changes. No code required. Native time tracking plugins. For freelancers and agencies, Cozila offers plugins for Toggle, Harvest, and Clockify. You can start a time entry directly from an event, and Cozila even suggests billable rates based on client metadata stored in your calendar. Smart home and wearables. In 2025, Cozila added integrations with Apple Watch and Wear OS. Your watch buzzes with a gentle tap 5 minutes before meetings, and you can snooze reminders using simple gestures. Cozila also links with SmartThings and HomeKit. If you schedule evening reading on Cozila, your smart lights automatically dim at that start time. 3. Developer API customization, REST API, and webhooks. Cozila provides a robust REST API for reading, creating, and updating events. Webhooks let you subscribe to event changes so third-party systems stay in sync in real time. Many startups build internal dashboards on top of Cozila's data layer. Custom themes and CSS. Beyond built-in color schemes, Cozila's Pro and Enterprise plans allow custom CSS. Teams brand their calendars to match company style guides, fonts, button styles, and even custom backgrounds for special company-wide event days. Plugin SDK. In mid-2025, Cozila released a plugin SDK. Internal dev teams can build mini apps inside Cozila, like a booking assistant for conference rooms or a meal planner that reserves your favorite lunch spot directly from the calendar. 4. Power user workflows, nested calendars, and layering. Power users often juggle personal, work, volunteer, and family schedules. Cozila's nested calendar layers allow you to stack calendars visually, toggling entire categories on or off with a single click. You can even set opacity levels so personal events stay in the background when you're focusing on work. Focus and flow sessions. Cozila's focus blocks can now be scheduled in batches. Want a 2-hour deep work session every Tuesday and Thursday morning? Set a recurring focus template once, and Cozila populates your calendar indefinitely. These blocks automatically reject meeting invites if your focus mode is active. Smart snooze and reschedule. Instead of a generic snooze for 10 minutes, Cozila offers context-aware snoozes. Snooze to next available lunch break, snooze to tomorrow morning, or snooze to after my commute. The AI looks at your travel times and calendar patterns to suggest ideal reschedules. Batch editing. Need to move all your weekly one-on-ones by 30 minutes? Select the entire series and apply a drag and drop shift. Cozila recalculates conflicts and prompts you only if an overlapping event is detected. Measure 5. Collaborative and team features. Shared departmental calendars. Teams can create departmental calendars, like engineering sprints or sales roadshows. Permissions let you set view only or edit access per user. Cozila's granular sharing controls ensure privacy while enabling collaboration. Event ownership and group tasks. Assign an event owner who's responsible for follow-ups. Group tasks can attach to events. For instance, a product launch event might include subtasks: prepare slides, send invites, book catering. Cozila tracks completion percentages on the event card. Real-time availability overlay. When scheduling large team meetings, Cozila overlays each attendee's free busy status in real time. The Find Best Time tool then suggests optimal slots where at least 80% of participants are free, reducing the back and forth. Number 6. Travel Mode and Time Zone Mastery. Smart Travel Mode. Cozila now recognizes flight and hotel bookings from email, automatically creating travel events with built-in buffers. You get pre-travel packing reminders, leave for airport alerts based on real-time traffic, and post-flight rest blocks. Time zone controls. For distributed teams, you can set each user's time zone manually. Cozila displays dual clocks in line with events. Want to schedule a call that works for 9 a.m. PST and 6 p.m. CET? Cozila's time zone wizard shows overlapping windows and warns you if a time falls outside someone's working hours. Number 7. Analytics and Insights. Meeting Metrics Dashboard. Cozila's Analytics tab shows how you spend your time. Total meeting hours by week, average meeting length, top collaborators, busiest days, and percentage of focus versus meeting time. In 2025, Cozila added a meeting quality score based on participant engagement metrics like chat activity, screen sharing duration, goal tracking, and time budgeting. Set weekly goals like no more than 10 hours of video calls or at least 8 hours of focus blocks. Cozila tracks your progress and sends you a midweek summary. You're 20% over your meeting budget. Consider rescheduling low-priority calls. 8. Accessibility and localization. Inclusive design. Cozila supports ARIA labels for screen readers, offers high contrast and large text modes, and uses clear iconography. Voice commands let visually impaired users create and navigate events via smart assistants. Multilingual UI. By mid-2025, Cozila's interface supports 15 languages, including right-to-left layouts for Arabic and Hebrew. Localized holiday calendars automatically populate based on your region. 9. Pricing and value propositions. Free plan, personal calendars, basic AI suggestions, mobile desktop sync. Pro, $6 a month. Advanced integration, Zapier, Toggle, timeline view, custom themes, extended analytics. Business, $12 the user month. Team workspaces, departmental calendars, resource booking, SSO. Enterprise, dedicated SLAs, on-premise deployment, plugin SDK, white glove support. When you compare the depth of features, AI scheduling analytics, developer APIs, Cozila's pricing remains highly competitive in 2025's crowded calendar market. National 10. Future Roadmap Teasers. AI meeting summaries. Generating concise action item lists from calendar events. Auto scheduling assistance. Negotiating meeting times directly with participants' calendars. Integrated workflow automation. Combining calendar triggers with heavy-duty RPA, robotic process automation. Augmented reality overlays. Visualizing schedules on AR devices during office walkthroughs. Final thoughts. In 2025, Cozila Calendar is much more than just a calendar. It's a comprehensive scheduling ecosystem. From deep performance optimizations and offline resilience, through powerful automations and integrations, to advanced analytics and developer extensibility, it caters to individuals and teams looking to level up their productivity. Whether you're juggling global time zones, tracking meeting impact, or building custom plugins, Cozila delivers a cohesive, high-performance experience. If you're serious about organizing your time, both personal and professional, Cozila Calendar is absolutely worth exploring this year.